Hello everyone. So MG has recently launched the facelifted ZS Electric in India, and to talk on it, I have with me Mr. Gaurav Gupta, who is the Chief Commercial Officer at MG Motor India. Mr. Gupta, welcome and thanks for talking to News 18.
Thank you, Arjit.
So I'll start by asking you, what can you tell about this new facelifted ZS Electric and what new does it offer?
What is new in the ZS EV 2021? Number one, it has got an all-new HT battery, and that now delivers a certified range of 419 kilometers. While that's a certified range, we believe that in most conditions, it should give you between 300 to 400 because of varied driving conditions.
Right.
That is number one. Number two, we now have got a higher ground clearance in the vehicle also.
Okay.
And the battery pack is even further at a height. So thereby, giving it, much more tread on the roads as well. So now we have an Eco Tree challenge on the iSmart mobile app of the EV, where our users can see how much of CO2 saving they have been able to obtain by their driving, but also collective, all the ZS EV users. And then importantly, how much is your ranking pan-India?
What are you doing in the space of infrastructure, both with the car as well as generating an infrastructure in India?
Charging infrastructure, we actually developed a 5-step process. Step number one, we are offering an onboard cable with every car, which our consumers can plug into any 15 ampere socket and they can charge the vehicle. Second, we are providing free of cost installation of AC fast chargers in our consumers' home or offices. Step number three is that across our dealerships, we are putting in fast DC chargers so that you're able to top up whenever you want to, get additional charge. If you're you're moving and you want to top it up, you can obviously go to all our dealership locations wherever we have them available to get that fast DC charging top up requirement. Fourth, intercity also. Now we are putting, even earlier we had got extended points network so that these are available where consumers on the way on highways, etc., can stop, charge up their car and move forward.
Right.
And fifth is, in our large cities, we've also got charge on the go in partnership with Allianz now, where charge on the go, this truck will come to your car. It will top up your charging battery in about 20 odd minutes. You can get a range of 30 kilometers and you can go to a nearest fast charging point.
How do you see the current Indian EV market and how has it evolved in the past couple of years?
I think the overall stance has been in the right direction. If you see in the last 4 to 5 years, whether it is FAME 1, FAME 2, public vehicle adoption of EVs, two-wheeler adoption of EVs, suppliers coming in to work in the area of components, a lot of vocal advocates now for adoption of EV as well. So we are seeing an entire momentum in the EV space. We are also hearing and seeing a lot of state governments taking on the stance of providing, a green number plate, but more important that is to waiving off the RTO charges as well. So that makes it very, cost effective also. In fact, there's also an income tax benefit that you can get if you're taking a loan for an EV also. So there are various, measures which are coming in place. Obviously, I think there has to be much more impetus and much more drive can be done as well. But it's a good start. And I think the platform is building up as we go along.
What future EV products can we expect from MG Motor India?
Arjit, we talked about that we are very committed to this space of electric vehicles, and it's not about just bringing a car. We've been working very actively on the ecosystem, even prior to the launch, during the launch as well. So at the back end, we are working on what more can we do to build this entire EV platform, whether it's with recycling partners to help us with our charging infrastructure and likewise. On the product side, we've been working on how to look at a battery assembly plant for the country in India, because electric vehicle battery is very high tech and that's very important in the overall value chain as well. Third, we are also working towards developing an electric vehicle with a range of almost close to 500 kilometers for the Indian market, because we believe that range is primary and the charging infrastructure is also, I won't say secondary, but both go hand in hand. And I think this is where we are working on from a future perspective. And lastly, I will say that, we are working on electric vehicle below 20 lakh rupees for the Indian market. And once we have this, at the same time, we are working on expanding the footprint of electric vehicles across India, because the demand has been very, very promising and very encouraging.
Thank you for talking to News 18.
Thanks, Arjit.